Tiger's all-electric design greatly simplifies maintenance. There are no oil changes, spark plugs, fuel systems, or battery servicing required. Monthly preventative maintenance is recommended and includes general inspections and system checks. For diagnostics and programming, technicians use the Curtis 1313-4331 handheld programmer with Tiger's proprietary harness. To connect the device, unplug the display connection and plug the handheld unit into the same port. Ensure the battery pack is powered on, indicated by a green light on the pack. The handheld will power on automatically. From there, technicians can review battery cell voltages, system data, and fault codes. Operational parameters such as top speed, acceleration curve, regenerative braking, seat interlock activation, and inching controls can also be adjusted. When performing service work, it is best practice to turn off the main battery power by switching the pack switch to the left. The green light will turn off when power is disconnected. The tractor's serial number, manufacturing date, and specifications can be found on the data plate in the cab. If the tractor must be towed and is out of power, release the mechanical parking brake and place the tractor in neutral. If the tractor needs to be towed and does have power, turn the key off, shift to neutral before towing. Always refer to the owner's manual or contact your Tiger representative for additional technical support. Tiger Lithium-Ion. Electrification that works.